Hi friends, this week we're talking about letter C. C is for chocolate chip cookie. Yum. CH together makes a ch sound, where C by itself makes a k sound. So don't worry about those sounds, but let's focus on the C sound, k, k, k. You're going to find the C's, and you can circle them, you can stamp them, whatever you choose. Have fun. Here you're going to find the letter C's, all of the C's. Here you're going to trace it. You're going to start up here on the dot, trace all the way around, and go. Remember, the C goes that direction. On the other side are small C's. Again, start at the dot and go in this direction. Again, going this way. Here's our C's. Trace your C's and find your C's. Big C, little c, uppercase, lowercase. Have lots of fun and practice. C's go that way. Bye, friends.